So Shri Lakshmi ji, I mean, when you're looking at investment plans, or how do you attract, or you're also in a competitive world, right? So how do you, when you compare, say, Greater Noida with areas, with other growth centers in India, like Sri Perumbudur in Tamil Nadu, with Whitefield in Bangalore, with Pune, with Hyderabad, what is your competitive advantage in your view? What are you telling companies? Why come here and not go there?
So there are two things I feel which is USP of Greater Noida. One thing is that Greater Noida is a greenfield project. So it was not that it was once a center or a city in olden days and it later it got developed or it grew. It was entirely planned from scratch. So the land was acquired and plans were made, the sectors were made, different sectors for residents, commercial activity, industry, institution, all were planned. Broad streets, green areas, open spaces, all were planned. So being a well-planned city, which is, in just a handful all over India, is one big thing, people prefer. It is not just a profession or work which people now look for. It is like livability in a city which actually helps make people choices. So in that way, Greater Noida is a well-planned city, and people from Delhi even prefer to come and settle down in Greater Noida and commute from there in that manner. So because these sectors are segregated, it is very, organized. And the infrastructure which has been developed, be it water lines, be it the roads, and be it the sewerage system or the solid waste management, everything are of high standards in the city. The second point is that, the another unique feature of Greater Noida, it is at the cross junction of eastern and western dedicated freight corridor, as well as it is connected to the major highways in a very short distance. For instance, the Yamuna Expressway or the Eastern Peripheral Expressway, Western Peripheral Expressway. By infrastructure wise, it is at a junction of all these major roads and railways. And now again, as we have discussed, we have the Jewar Airport. So these two features where, are something which is unique only to Greater Noida.
Which are the industries you're focusing on, attracting specific industries, key focal areas?
See, being in NCR, we'll have to, we have these categories of industries which are only permissible. So as per the norms, we can, do for such kind of industries. But again, high-tech industries as well as IT companies are what we are, planning in our near future, next future. Foreign companies, investors are also invested, provided this strategic location.